I remember Jay went to Mabala, right? Jay Peter is my brother, ne? And then he went to Mabala Noise, and whatever happened in Mabala, it happened to every side artist that was there. And then when he came home, I said, "Come and live with me." I mean, Lapo, I was still part of SAPS, I think. And then when he came to live with me, he said, "Except Pella, I'm here, Manje. You don't have an excuse not to start." And Pella, I haven't started yet. I didn't start. He knew what I want to start, but ngokuthi nami, I think my life was going great in Alasus cards. Yeah, about me working, earning, making a living. What's it? You need to start, man. It's me, no, man. But I mean, I brought you here good to win, to relax, to focus. But it's not good for you. Man, let's stage this.